being a student, a teacher, and every other worker or employee could ever ask for is something that could relieve the stress and body pain without any difficulties in using it. Last 2018, a group of industrial engineering students here in TIP called the Team Wonder Paws had come up with an invention that could be the answer to our problems.
Hi, we're from Team Wonder Paws, coming from Industrial Engineering Department of TIP Quezon City. We are composed of 3 students from the department and I being the faculty advisor. We are one of the participants in the said competition and we won 2nd place in the concluded competition last year, September 2018, held in Yogyakarta, Indonesia. The competition, Cronus 2018, the challenge for product design and ergonomics, was organized by Universitas Gadjah Mada, one of the universities in Indonesia, and this competition is considered to be one of the largest product design and ergonomics competition in the whole Southeast Asia region.
So this is our product, the Paw Padinator. So it is a backpack-like product designed to relieve stress. So it has 6 pressure points in the back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the purpose of it is to relieve stress while at work or while you are doing something at home or as a student, you can use this product. So why do we create it? So the purpose of it is to relieve stress, especially in the working millennials. So stress gives depression and also gives low productivity in their work. So how do you use it? So as you can see, this is like a backpack light. So you can demonstrate it.
Well, the competition's theme was all about pioneering inventions for stress relief. So we came up with a product, the Padinator, simply because of what we experience and what we see every day. So we decided to come up with a Padinator which gives massage to people who are experiencing very hard or stress or experience stress. Since we don't have luxury of time with each other, we decided to create a Padinator as a stress reliever for my mother and for other people who are working. That's why our target market in the competition was the working millennials. Then, as you can see, it has a Paw Pad-like because one of us is fond of animals and one of our stress relievers also animals. So we incorporate the product, a paw-like design, so that it adds to the feature of the product to also relieve the stress of the user.
So we've experienced a lot of challenging parts before and also during the competition. So that's time consuming for all of us. Also, we have, since that we're all students, we have less resources. So we need to do the product by ourselves. So this is personally done by all of us, and also with the help of our classmates.
We are Team Wonder Paws, and this is our Paw Padinator. Makes